Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. If you ever wonder how to install DDR5 RAM, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade to 64 gigabytes on this Acer Predator Helios 300. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First you need to have is a regular Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and remove all the screws here. All the screws are the same in size, so it is okay if you mix match the screws. So there are a total of 11 screws that you need to remove in order to remove the back cover. Alright, once you have removed all the screws, we are going to remove the back cover here. What I like to do is to find the opening here on the side where the corner is. Get a metal prying tool, go ahead and slightly pry it open, like so. Get a plastic prying tool to pry open the rest of the back cover so you're not making a scratch or any dent towards the inside of the laptop. At this point, what you want to do is you want to lift it up gently and then kind of push it away from your body to that direction, because the charging port, USB, HDMI are all being connected to the back of the cover right there. And if you just kind of yank it out, you may break those plastic or the connector. So what you want to do is just lift it up and then slightly push it to that direction. Alright, the next process is to remove one of the screw and the RAM bracket. But before you do that, I recommend you to disconnect the battery by sliding the connector down towards your body. Okay, so that is the connector. And then just pull it down towards your body and you will remove the disconnected battery. Once you have done with the process, get a Phillips screwdriver, remove that one Phillips screw, and gently lift this thing up. This is just a bracket that is covering up the RAM slot. In this laptop, you have two RAM slots, first and second. Now you can upgrade 32, that would be the total of 64 gigabytes. And again, this is a DDR4 32 gigs of RAM. If you're not sure where to buy the RAM from, please check the link down in the description below, where I'll direct you to either Amazon or eBay, where you can find a RAM replacement for this. Alright, slide it in at 45-degree angle. Make sure you match that little slot here in the center. Slide it in and push it down right in the middle. When you push it down, you can hear the both sides of the clipper would clip and lock the RAM in together. Clip and lock. Once you're done with that process, go ahead and let me zoom in a little bit. If you can see that little clipper right there, those are the clipper that clips onto the metal bracket. What you want to do is you want to align them in the right position like such, and then press it down where the clipper clips it in. Okay, once you have the clipper in, the next step is to put that screw back together. Right here in the middle, and then reconnect the battery back to the laptop by sliding in the connector to the slots. Push it in, slide it in, and you'll be done. Get the plastic cover. You want to do a reverse direction by sliding in from the top. Okay, so you're going to slide it in from the top, making sure that you have the slot in the right position like such, and then you want to press it down and install the back cover. Once the thing is done, get the screw back in, and then have the screw install all together. You have 11 of them in total. Okay, once you have done with that process, what you want to do is you want to turn on the computer and verify if you have 64 gigs of RAM. So go ahead and press the power button. And at this process, you may experience some sort of a delay in the startup, which is normal because the motherboard is trying to do the configuration to recognize it if there's a new RAM installed and how much the RAM would be. And again, it's going to take some time for the computer to do that configuration. At the same time, we disconnected the battery, so therefore the computer might have been kind of like reset on the motherboard. Would take some time to power up. Okay, so I can see that the turbo light is on. Okay. And just kind of wait a little bit. Make sure you pay attention to the fan. Okay, the light is still on. I think the last time I remember, it may take up to about 2 minutes for it to do a deep cycle and reboot it to the Windows. So give and take, I would say 2 to 3 minutes for you to wait around and making sure that the battery is fully charged, or if you want to plug in the adapter, is fine with that. I'm kind of pay attention to the light, so I do see that turbo has a light on it, but still no display on the screen. Just wait a little while, do not get panicked, and hopefully that would start up the computer. And if it doesn't start up the computer, what we can do is force shut down and then reboot it again. But so far I only pressed once on the power button, and I'm still waiting for the startup process. Now I can hear the fan goes on a high speed, and it looks like the motherboard has already done configuring and initializing the RAM. Hopefully in a minute or two I should have a display. There you go. So that is the welcome screen, the BIOS, loading to Windows 11. And welcoming the Windows 11. So, and again, this is only that one time that cycle. You need to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and once you have done with that cycle, the next time the computer should not take that long to do is reboot again. So let's go to system And I just wanted to point it out to you, the system right now is at 64 gigabytes. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful. And again, if you do find the video is helpful, please smash the like button for me. That's all I'm asking. I really appreciate. I'm just doing this out of appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. And again, I just want to point it out, if you're not sure where to buy the RAM, please check the link down description below. Okay, I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay and to get the DDR5 RAM. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.